It's me, Julian. Here's the Alpine A110, new for 2019, of course. There's the card art. There's the actual car. There's the back of the card. Go ahead and pause and read that if you want to. All right. It's a metal body, plastic base. Pretty plain base there. Your basic 5-spoke rims. Pretty nice car, very clean. No wild tampers on this thing for the first release. Very cool. Got the details in there. It says Alpine. License plate, all your headlights. Got black taillights. I'm guessing it's supposed to be clear in real life, so they mimicked it by making that black. Pretty cool. Again, license plate and the badging. So to be honest, I've never heard of this company or this brand of cars before, the Alpine. Never seen it either. I'm guessing it's a car in mostly Europe. I don't know if there's any of these in the US. But anyways, pretty cool looking. Pretty sweet. No side mirrors on it, but that's all right. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.